Hello, my dear students. This is Vivek Vaibhav, and you are watching lecture on interpretation of topographical maps. I hope you all are fit and fine and enjoy staying at home. So before I am going to start this lecture, as far as my observation is concerned, I feel you all have so many queries, doubts and problems. And the reference is our Google Classroom. In your plethora of questions indicates you have so many thoughts. Don't worry, we are going to discuss the entire topic and entire problem you have. I will try my level best to sort out all the problems. So before I am going to start, first and foremost, I would like to say you what is the purpose of your geography syllabus of 10th class. You being an Indian, you should take pride on it, take pride. But what if you don't have simple knowledge, geographical knowledge about India? If you don't have any knowledge of India, this is the questionable for you being an Indian. No. So we should know about India, and you are fortunate enough to have this sorts of syllabus in your geography subject. So in this entire book, we are going to learn different aspects about physiographic division, physiography, soil, different diversity, cultural diversity, physical diversity, and the people, diverse people, about soil, about forest, so many things. You enjoy it because in India there is all things fine which is prevalent across the globe. That's why I am saying time and again, India is the mini world. So let us enjoy mini world. Okay? So entire session we should learn, and because of the syllabus of India, you are fortunate enough to learn it. Okay? So today's topic is interpretation of topographical maps. Before you going through the all definitions and all the things, just know very much why topographical map. Why we should learn topographical map. This is topographical map. We have 4 topographical map here, and any topographical map, there is a number of topographical map, 45D/7 is the topographical map. And this topographical map, if you know about chemistry, chemical equation, there is a reactant and products, and with this one-liner equation, you know entire thing about that particular compound, reactants and products, all about. Either it is gas in a state, either, or it is a solid, it is a aqueous solution, it is volatile solution, all about the things. Likewise, this topographical map with the help of this topographical map, we can easily understand in particular areas physiographic division, drainage pattern, settlement, benchmark. Is there any pond here? Is there any temple here? Is there any roadways there? Is there any railways there? All the things through this map. Only this map shows entire things about that various small things, even 1 to 12. You can easily understand. So, topographical map is very important to know. Because of this is in your syllabus, you can learn it by your heart and soul, and you can easily understood entire things about topographical map. So let us start. What is topographical map? So topography is the study of shape and the feature of land surfaces. Any land surfaces, they are having so many features, and the features is what? About settlement, about drainage pattern, about roadways, railways, benchmarks, two-well, entire things. You know easily. So topographical map indicates relief features like mountains, hill, coastal plain, drainage, valley, ridge, all the things. Likewise, in a man-made features, settlements, embankments, railways, roadways, all the things. So when it was established in India is also a question. And who was the person? The person was Major James Runner, who is the Surveyor General of Bengal province that